Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're revealing 16 coolest woodworking tools on Amazon you'll wish you found sooner. From smart DIY gadgets to professional workshop upgrades, these incredible tools can save time, improve accuracy, and make every project easier. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, these amazing finds might become your next favorite workshop essentials. Multi-purpose scraper tool. The REXBETI Razor multi-purpose scraper tool is a versatile cleaning and surface preparation kit built for tackling tough residues with ease. Featuring both durable steel and scratch-safe plastic blades, it handles everything from dried paint and old caulk to stickers and stubborn grime. Its ergonomic grip, retractable safety mechanism, and built-in blade storage add convenience and comfort during extended use. Compact yet powerful, this scraper set is a practical addition to any DIY toolbox or home maintenance kit. Japanese pull saw. The RUITOOL Precision. Japanese pull saw is a lightweight hand tool built for fine woodworking, detailed joinery, and flush trimming. Its traditional pull stroke design uses an ultra-thin SK5 high carbon steel blade to create smooth, accurate cuts with less effort than conventional push saws. The dual-edged Ryoba blade handles both rip cuts and cross cuts, making it highly versatile. With a comfortable handle, flexible blade, and replaceable design, this saw is an excellent choice for precision craftsmanship. Multi-angle level. The Saker Foldable. Multi-angle level is an innovative measuring tool designed to handle layouts that ordinary spirit levels cannot. Its hinged aluminum construction bends into multiple shapes, making it ideal for working around corners, pipes, staircases, and other obstacles. 4 easy-to-read bubble vials provide accurate leveling at different angles, while the magnetic base allows convenient hands-free operation on metal surfaces. Lightweight, durable, and compact, this versatile level is a valuable addition to any DIY or professional toolbox. Digital Cut Measuring System. The REEKON M1 Digital Cut Measuring System is an innovative tool that transforms the way woodworkers and contractors make repeat cuts. By digitally tracking material as it moves across the saw fence, it eliminates constant tape measuring and marking, improving both speed and accuracy. Its bright LCD display, automatic blade kerf compensation, and universal clamp design make setup simple and efficient. Built for precision and productivity, the M1 helps deliver fast, consistent results on every project. Carving Bit Set. The Shengbenhao Precision. Carving Bit Set is a versatile accessory kit for woodworkers, hobbyists, and DIY crafters who use rotary tools. Available in compact and expanded versions, it includes specialized bit shapes for carving, engraving, texturing, trimming, and edge profiling. The sharp cutting geometry and efficient chip removal design help produce smooth, detailed results while reducing clogging and heat buildup. Compatible with most popular rotary tools, this affordable set is ideal for precision woodworking and creative projects. Schwer cut-resistant safety gloves. Schwer cut-resistant safety gloves are designed to provide reliable hand protection for demanding work environments and food preparation tasks. Available in industrial and kitchen-focused versions, they offer high cut resistance while maintaining comfort and flexibility. Durable advanced materials, secure grip coatings, and ergonomic construction help users handle sharp tools with greater confidence. Many models also feature touchscreen compatibility or food safe certification, making these gloves a practical choice for woodworking, metalworking, automotive repairs, and culinary applications.
Carbide Tipped 82 degrees. The Keen-Tech Carbide Tipped 82 degrees. Countersink drill bit is built for precision, durability, and clean results in woodworking and light metal tasks. Its carbide-tipped countersink head delivers exceptional wear resistance, capable of handling up to 30,000 holes in solid wood. The adjustable, ball-bearing depth stop spins freely to prevent scratches or burn marks while ensuring consistent countersink depth. An M2 high-speed steel pilot bit with gold coating offers extended life and adjustable drilling depth. Designed to the 82-degree ANSI standard, it pairs perfectly with flat head screws. A 1/4 inch quick release hex shank allows fast, secure bit changes across multiple materials. Dowel Jig Kit. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit makes building strong, accurate dowel joints fast and frustration-free. Designed to eliminate complicated measuring and marking, it delivers consistent results thanks to multiple alignment options and hardened steel drill guides. The onboard measuring scale and stop collar system ensure precise depth every time, while the clamp-ready design keeps everything stable during drilling. Built from impact-resistant polymer, the jig is durable enough for shop or job site use. With integrated storage for accessories and versatility for corner, edge, and miter joints, it's an ideal solution for cabinets, furniture, and everyday woodworking repairs. Thin Rip Jig the Saker. Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Guide is a must-have accessory for woodworkers who demand accuracy, safety, and repeatability when cutting narrow strips. Built from CNC, machined anodized aluminum, it delivers rock-solid stability and long-term durability. Its precision roller bearing system allows smooth forward motion while actively preventing kickback, making thin rip cuts safer and more controlled. With fine adjustment down to 1/32 inch, clear metric and imperial scales, and wide T-slot compatibility, this jig is perfect for cabinetry, trim work, and detailed projects. The slide set lock design ensures fast setup and consistent results every time. T-Bevel gauge. The Preciva T-Bevel gauge and Protractor blends classic craftsmanship with modern digital precision, making angle measurement fast, accurate, and hassle-free. Its large LCD screen delivers clear readings with up to plus or minus 0.3 degrees accuracy and fine resolution for demanding tasks. Built with a stainless steel ruler and durable ABS handle, it's designed for long-term workshop use. The locking knob ensures angles stay put, while metric and imperial scales add flexibility. Smart features like hold, zeroing, reverse display, integrated levels, and auto power off make this tool ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and precise layout jobs. Stackable featherboards. The POWERTEC. Stackable featherboards are a smart, safety-focused upgrade for any woodworking setup. Made from durable, impact-resistant polymer, they apply consistent pressure to keep stock firmly against the fence or table for cleaner, more accurate cuts. Their innovative stackable design eliminates the need for spacers, making them ideal for taller workpieces. Angled fingers reduce kickback while maintaining smooth feed control. With dual mounting options for miter slots and T-tracks, plus easy grip star knobs for quick adjustments, these featherboards work seamlessly on table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers, boosting both precision and safety. Multifunctional Project Table. The POWERTEC Multifunctional Project Table is a smart portable solution for DIYers and woodworkers who need a reliable work surface anywhere. Its foldable, lightweight design makes transport and vertical storage effortless, while the heavy-duty steel frame delivers impressive stability. The durable tabletop features a universal 3/4-inch bench dog hole pattern, allowing compatibility with a wide range of clamps and accessories. With imprinted metric and imperial measurements, precise layout is quick and easy. Designed with safety locks, self-leveling feet, and a wide leg stance, this table supports demanding tasks like cutting, sanding, clamping, and assembly with confidence. Wood glue dispenser, 16 ounces bottle. The Fastcap. Wood glue dispenser, 16-ounce bottle, better known as the GlueBot, is a game changer for clean, precise glue application. Its patented 2-chamber, no drip system creates a vacuum that pulls excess glue back into the bottle, keeping the tip clean and clog-free. With interchangeable Yorker and blade tips, you can apply fine lines or wider spreads with total control. The bottle works vertically or horizontally, features a wide mouth for easy refills, and has a stable base to prevent tipping. Durable, efficient, and mess-free, it's ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Countersink drill bit set. The EZARC. Countersink drill bit set delivers precision, durability, and versatility for woodworking and metalworking projects. Crafted from high-speed steel with titanium nitride or black oxide coatings, these bits resist wear and corrosion. Featuring an optimal 82-degree angle, they ensure perfect flush countersinking for flat head screws. Woodworking sets use a 4-flute design for smooth, fast chip removal, while metal sets employ 5 flutes to minimize vibration and improve finishes. Adjustable depth control, a universal 1/4-inch hex shank, and multifunctionality allow drilling, countersinking, and counterboring in one step. Complete kits include multiple sizes, hex wrenches, and a sturdy storage case. Mini Square Woodworking Center Finder. The Sunlfprod. Mini Square Woodworking Center Finder is a compact, versatile aluminum alloy tool for precision woodworking. It functions as a center scriber, 90-degree square, protractor, and self-centering dowel drill guide. Precision pins quickly locate center lines or circles without manual measuring. Made from high-strength anodized aluminum, it resists corrosion while remaining lightweight and portable at just 2.5 ounces. Machined holes and an offset blade edge allow accurate markings with pencils or markers. Ideal for table saws, miter saws, router tables, and blade alignment. It often includes a flip stop, small magnet, and storage box for convenience and durability. Cabinet clamps. The ECY Cabinet Clamps make cabinet installation faster, easier, and more precise. Featuring an integrated drill guide, they allow accurate pilot holes without repositioning the clamp. Dual direction alignment ensures face frames are flush, front to back, and tightly joined side to side. Crafted from high-strength anodized aluminum, these clamps are durable, rigid, and rust-resistant. Multi-size felt pads protect cabinet surfaces from scratches, while precision threads enable micro adjustments for perfect alignment. With a strong 440-pound grip and wide jaw capacity, 2 inches to 3 7/8 inches, they securely hold styles of varying thicknesses. Kits include 2 clamps, hardware, felt pads, and a convenient storage case.